Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can watch Netflix on your PlayStation 4. So first of all, open your PS4, then open the application called TV and Video. Go to it and press X, then it will open it. And there you can see apps like Disney Plus, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, PS Store, HBO Max, Movies and TV Vudu, and YouTube. So go ahead and click X on Netflix, and then it will take you to your PlayStation Store. There you'll have to download the Netflix app, which is of 26.2 MB. So download the app, and then if you go to your notifications and downloads, you can see that Netflix has already started download, and you can also see the time left for the download to complete. On the PlayStation Store, the download time will depend upon the speed of your internet connection, so be patient and wait for the app to download. Once your Netflix is downloaded, go to TV and Video, then go to Netflix, and now you can watch Netflix on your PlayStation 4. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.